When I started homeschooling, I was afraid that I wasn't able to be the kind of educator my children needed. My name is Evelyn Jenkins, and I began homeschooling 13 years ago. Early on, a friend invited me to a Classical Conversations information meeting. I left that meeting understanding about half of the ideas that were shared. I realized my homeschool needed a purpose beyond getting good grades, that completing a worksheet didn't necessarily mean my children were learning anything, it just meant we were really busy checking off the boxes. Satisfaction came when my children and I enjoyed learning together and seeing how things were connected. This joy of learning gave us a purpose of pursuing goodness, truth, and beauty, instead of completing a curriculum at the same pace as everyone else. My favorite part of the Foundations curriculum is a section titled Becoming Transformed. The truths conveyed over these 4 pages reminds me that I don't have to resolve my shortcomings in order to teach my children. I am on a journey of transformation, a journey where God helps me to know Him and to raise a generation who will carry on making Him known.